In this quick video, I'll be showing you how to complete a duty to the country for a lab rat. In this way, just search the bunker and uncover what happened to Long Vong. We'll be heading back to the YBL bunker, which we've been to a couple of times before, but this time we'll be using a brand new secret entrance that should take you across to where you need to be. You can get across from the other side, you just need to do a bit of parkour, but that's really unnecessary. It's very easy to get into, and I'll show you the secret now. What you'll want to do is head towards the center of the YBL1 bunker, where by the entrance you'll find a dirt path that goes off to the right here. You'll simply need to follow this, and you should end up at the secret entrance in just a moment. It's very easy to follow it, but of course I'll show you the map exactly when I get there, just in case you want a quicker trip. Heading all the way down here and across, all the way up the side, you'll see a mountaintop over here, and we're coming around the right side, all the way here, you'll find the fence that we need to get access to. Simply approach this and you'll find a hole here where we can get into the bunker. This is a one-way, you won't be able to get back out, so you'll be taken into the depths of the bunker and you'll have to fight your way back out. Anyways, after entering here, you'll see this sign over here, turn left, and just down this passageway here, you'll find a body that you simply just need to interact with. There we go. We've now finished this part of the mission and we can return back to base. It's that simple. If you head once again left here and further in this direction, you may see a site that you have possibly come across before. In here, it's the broken stairway, which you can also try to jump up to get into this area, but entering it from the outside is just a lot easier. We'll need to fight our way through this bunker and back out. So I'll take a left, then down by the end, a right towards this corridor, and we're in a busy area where there'll be lots of AI. There's two ways out. We can go this way, or preferably we can just go right here towards this, turn right, and instead of going down this passageway, coming in here where there's a staircase that is actually functional. Heading up this, it'll take us to floor -1, and we just need to travel left, then straight towards the end here, and essentially just follow the exit signs. Once again, there may be a bit more AI in this area. I can hear one of them shouting, and here is the front exit all the way over here. We can open up our vendors and hand in the quest. So lab rat, tasks, and bam, we'll hand this in. Anyways, that's it. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.